Looking for a website to generate QR code for YouTube URL or website URL? Just follow this video. Go to Google Chrome. Copy the website link from the comment section. It is totally free and unlimited downloads under 30 seconds. So select the data type which you want to generate QR code. Then enter URL of your selected type. And you can also customize the QR code by changing color and adding logo. You can also paste the website URL to QR code. You can download as JPG or PNG.